can start?
Yeah.
Serious? Okay. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Alinafe Edwards here. Another day, another video, another like. So guys, it looks like our nail technician journey is getting serious by the day. So today I'm unboxing my nail trainer hand, the hand that I'm going to be using to practice all my nails. You remember previously I posted a video about the tools, nail tools that I want to be practicing. So it looks like I'm really interested in pursuing nail art, to be a nail technician. So we are going to do the practice together. I'll be posting everything that I'll be practicing. With that being said, this is a challenge to me. As I'm recording this video, it's on the 1st of September. So I'm giving myself 4 months only to learn, to practice, to be good at this, so that maybe 2024 can be a new year, new business, new side hustle. What do you think about that? So as I'm unboxing this, stay tuned.
Hey.
Are you taking a video?
Yeah. Look what we have. Look what we have.
This is my nail practice hand. So let's unbox it. Let's see how it looks.
It's good.
Hello guys, let's see what's inside. I bought this on Takealot. It just took a day to be delivered. Yeah, this is what we have. My makeup shouldn't go to waste. So let's unbox this. I don't know what to expect really, guys. I just saw it on Takealot and just bought it because I thought it was necessary for me to be practicing instead of me using people like, friend, come here, I need to do your nails. I thought it wise to make my life easy. So it's flexible and adjustable, and it also has additional spare nails. I think they are 95 if not 100 in the packet. And look at this, looking so cool. So you can mount it anywhere you are going to be sitting, so that you should be practicing. I'll be vlogging each and every step, and then I'll be giving you my experience. For now, this what I've tried. I tried gel or natural nails, and not bad. But it can be better. So I'm just practicing this, guys. Hey guys, so that's my nail trainer hand that I'll be using on this nail technician journey. I'm so excited. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Share with family and friends so that they can learn one or two things. In my previous video, I mentioned that I do not have any experience when it comes to nail, they do the filing, the buffing, the acrylic, the gel. I just go to the salon, do my nails and whatever, to spa, do my nails and whatever. But it got me interested. That's why today I'm here, giving myself 4 months to learn. Maybe it can be that your cousin, your sister, your friend is also interested in doing this. We can be practicing together. Why not? Thank you so much for watching my video. Have a good day. Stay safe. Bye.